Hey guys, here's PK. So this video is my first YouTube video. I'm really interested about it. So today what I'm gonna do change your normal phone a top vlogging camera. And I swear, it's not sponsored. Alright, let's go. Alright, first of all, you guys definitely need a phone, Android or iPhone, it really doesn't matter. And second of all, you guys need a audio. So I bought the Rode Mic Go, and it price is $62 at Amazon. And when you use the mic with your phone, and you guys should buy connection with your phone, and I bought the Rode SC7 3.5 TRS to TRRS patch cable, and it priced $15 at Amazon. And third thing is tripod, and you guys should buy tripod, because if you don't use tripod, then the video gonna look like kind of shaky, and that mean that looks like professional video, and people are not gonna watch your video. That's the reason why. And I bought the Joby 3K Gorilla tripod, and it priced $48 at Amazon. And when you guys use a tripod with your phone, and you guys buy the adapter, and I bought the ULANZI adapter, and it priced almost $15, and I bought at the Amazon. And last thing is optional, you guys don't have to buy, really don't, but I really do recommend you guys buy the lens. I bought the Moment lens, the wide lens, and it priced $99, and I bought with case, and the case price is $30, oh no, almost $30. And why I bought the case, cause the case make perfect fit with your lens. Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's build up. Alright guys, those things are what you guys need for vlogging: camera and tripod adapter, and mic adapter, and the lens and lens case, and phone. And now I'm shooting to my iPhone 8 Plus, so I'm gonna use my old phone, Galaxy Note 5. Alright, so first of all, you guys connect with your adapter. Yep, and just screw up. And then put your mic top of the tripod adapter. Screw up. Yep. And then put your phone to case. Yep. And put the adapter to a phone. And when you use the iPhone, you guys should buy this adapter with your iPhone. But now I'm using the Galaxy Note 5, and they have the iPhone jack, so I don't have to use it. Connect, and then plug in, screw up, and then put the lens on here. Yes guys, that's it. Alright guys, this is how it's work, and this camera pretty looks like professional vlogging camera, right? And the thing is price, right? So the mic price is $62, and mic adapter price is $15, and the tripod price is $48, plus tripod adapter price is $15, and the lens price is $99, and the lens case price is $30, and so total is $269, and the without lens price is $140. yeah guys, and today's video is that's it. And after this video I'm gonna take the vlogging to this camera, and if you guys curious about that, and just subscribe my channel and please thumbs up, and if you guys have a question, and just please write comment, and all the information is at the description. Alright guys, so peace.